Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro to become available on October 28, according to a new rumor. Also, Google, inspired by Apple, is developing a custom chipset for tablets and Chromebooks. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. Google has already pre-announced its upcoming Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro flagship smartphone duo and promising all the detail for later this fall. Well, a couple of days ago, a Chinese vibromaker Blade Panda reported that the Google newest flagship series would be officially announced on September 13. One day before Apple event dedicated to iPhone 13 announcement is rumored to take place. This rumor started spreading like a wildfire, saying that the Google would be announcing the duo on September 13, a day before the Apple event on September 14. But that is not true, because a new leak has been popped up coming from reliable sources. He believes that the Blade Panda has played everyone and the news that is coming for the launch date is fake. As far as the John Prosser is concerned, he is mainly an Apple leaker with 74% accuracy, and he proposes that a new date for the Pixel launch, one that is almost 2 months away. When the original date started spreading across the web, Prosser immediately took on Twitter and promising to look in this matter and give us the detail about that. Now he has shared an article on its front page tech report which insists that the Blade Panda was not in fact correct. The real date is actually October 28, and according to report, pre-order for the Pixel 6 Duo are set to kick off a little earlier on October 19, which could double as the date of the official Pixel 6 event. Now guys, John Prosser track record may be better than some, but do consider that this date does not finally discontinue the possibility of September 13 event. After all, Sony is known to wait many months after announcing a new device before it starts pre-order. So 1 month wouldn't be that much, but this isn't how Google has done things in the past, which means that October 28 release date will be pans out. The most likely time for the announcement would be October 18 or 19. This is all a speculation. However, it's important to note that the source of the new information is very adamant that the dates are accurate for whatever the worth. Moving forward, the Tensor chipset that is coming in the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro is not limited to the phones. It will be available in tablets and the Chromebooks from Google. Basically, that information has been coming from Nikkei Asia report that Google is currently developing a custom processor for a range of upcoming products, including Chromebooks and tablets, popular Chrome OS software rather than Android or Fuchsia. So guys, these are rumors right now about the launch date. We cannot say for sure that is the one or other, although an October date does seem a bit more logical than September. So guys, personally I think that Google will not be doing to launch the September 13 as the official event for the flagship level device, but anyhow, we have to wait and see. Fingers are crossed right now. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know your opinion on that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.